What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing for free. It's 100% free method. So again, anyone who's just starting out and doesn't have money can just do this method. So guys, let's begin. So guys, before we begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, simple straightforward ways. So let's get started. Okay, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing and please like the video as well. And if you have any questions, please do comment and I read all your comments. So now let's get back. As you could see my screen right now, currently what we are doing is we are promoting through Facebook. All you have to do is find a niche. Okay, so my niche is, so again, just go on clickbank. You could see I chose numerology. You could choose make money online. You could choose keto groups, you could choose smoothie groups. Okay, so if I go on my Facebook, as I told you, I chose numerology. Again, it shows you something about law of attraction, shows you your personality code and all of those things. Now all you have to do is join all of these groups, open 5 of them. Don't comment on more than 5 groups. You'll be getting banned, so just be smart about it. Okay, so these are the groups. Okay, now all you have to do is just come over here, copy this thing and just paste it over here. Okay, just paste it over here, just paste the comment, just paste it, and not more than 5 groups. Okay, so again, it's a slow process, but at least you'll start making money, you'll get confident about yourself, and then you can reinvest the money on paid ads. Just paste it over here. 1 2 3 4 5. Now again, Facebook is also very strict. They might if you do direct linking, they might ban your account. So all you have to do is create a landing page. So I've created a landing page just like this. So when you click over here, it will directly take you to this page. So again, you know how it is, and once you know if this offer is converting, what you could do is rather than just adding a button, you can add an email list. And as you know, money is in the list. Once you get an email ID, you could start emailing them other offers and you will make a sustainable business. Right now this is a shortcut where you directly add a button and then someone clicks on the button, will directly go to the offer like this and they can buy the product. And I'm sure this hardly makes $7, so it doesn't make sense. But once you have an email list, you can upsell them or cross sell them with other like law of attraction, manifestation offers. So again, it's very simple. Once they post it, some of them might approve, some of them might not approve, and once they approve, people will start commenting where they would be like yes, I want one and all that thing. So all you have to do is just then at the end just copy this thing and then just paste it in the comment, and that's it, guys. It's very simple. This is a free method, and yeah, I think this is what you need to do once you start doing it. And you can do it in any niche. You can do it on weight loss. So if you just come over here, just type keto, KETO. You can find a lot of groups. Just join those groups and then you can post the same thing where you can literally post hey, who would like a free keto cookbook or a free keto recipe, a keto smoothie cookbook, and then literally you can sell them other clickbank offers as well. So it's the same logic, and I hope you really like this video. Please consider subscribing, and Yavar Khan signing off.